Talee, Reimagining Cranial Remolding through 3D Printing. 3D printing has revolutionized healthcare, enabling innovative solutions for unmet clinical needs. Conditions like plagiocephaly, or asymmetrical head flattening, affect roughly 1 in 5 infants due to pressure on their soft skulls. While repositioning techniques can help, traditional treatment helmets are often bulky and uncomfortable. Talee offers a 3D printed cranial remolding orthosis that is significantly more comfortable and breathable. The process begins with a non-invasive 3D scan for a perfect fit. Having treated tens of thousands of infants across 40 countries, Talee's success is clear. The helmets are printed with RealSane IR PA11, a renewable material derived from castor plants, ensuring parents feel at ease throughout their child's development. Talee's success illustrates a broader shift toward medical solutions that are personalized and built around the patient from the very first scan. To find out more, read the full article at www.medicalmarketing.com.